Hello and welcome to Aruna's Vegetarian Kitchen. Today I am going to make Pav Bhaji. So today we have a cauliflower for the cauliflower, eggplant, one green pepper, some people say bell pepper. I have 4 potatoes, one eggplant, 3 or 4 tomatoes, 2 or 3 green chilies, piece of garlic and ginger I am going to use. First, cauliflower, this is about 3 to 4 pound of cauliflower. I am going to use half the cauliflower and it is about 2 pounds. I will cut half of the cauliflower and it will be about 2 pounds of cauliflower, 1 pound of eggplant, 1 green pepper, so it will be about 3 to 4 pounds of weight. I will cut it in small pieces, wash it and then steam cook it. After that we will smash it. I have steamed the vegetables and my vegetables are ready now. I am going to smash it. Now that I have took it out from the pressure cooker, I am going to mash the vegetables. After I mash the vegetables, you have to mash it properly. So everything is mashed. Now that I have mashed the all the vegetables, and now I am doing the stir fry onion and tomatoes. So I have put the 4 teaspoons of oil. I'll put some cumin seeds, hing, and I have already chopped onion. So I am going to add onion. Just for 1 minute, I will stir fry onion, and then I have prepared tomatoes and green chili and ginger. Ginger is about 1 inch and about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. If you don't want to eat garlic, you can avoid garlic. Stir fry it for 2-3 minutes and then I will be adding my mashed vegetables. When the oil leaves, we will add the vegetables. Now that onion and tomatoes are boiling, I will add vegetables, which is I have already mashed it. And now the spice part. About 2 teaspoons salt, turmeric, red pepper, and I will be adding Pav Bhaji masala, about 1 teaspoon. And now simmer it for 5 to 7 minutes and your Pav Bhaji is ready. You can eat with bread buns, or our family likes sourdough bread, so we are going to use sourdough bread, that you can grill it. And at the end I am going to add cilantro. Hi. And see, now I have simmered this for about 10-15 minutes, and it looks very nice, colorful. So I am going to take it out in a small bowl, and we can garnish it with cilantro and onion. And you can eat with the bread buns. But as I said before, our family likes sourdough bread, so we will eat with sourdough bread. Thank you. Enjoy. And okay, I have cilantro and I have onion. You can eat it. This is a final product. Thank you and enjoy.